Hello everyone, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the Christmas song, Away in a Manger. I'll go ahead and play the song for you now, and then afterwards, I'll break it down into more detail. So let's get started.
Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. Lay down his sweet head. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. The cattle are lowing, the baby awakes, but little Lord Jesus no crying he makes. I love thee, Lord Jesus. Look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning is nigh. Be near me, Lord Jesus, I ask thee to stay close by me forever and love me, I pray. Bless all the dear children in thy tender care, and fit us for heaven to live with thee there.
All right, so for this song, we're using 4 chords from the E chord family. We're using the E chord, A2, B suspended, and F sharp minor. Now, something you could do for this particular song is instead of using that B suspended, you could use a B7 chord, which is going to be easier for transitioning because it has a similar shape to the E and A chord. So what we're going to do for that B7, all we need to do is take that E, and we're going to take our 3rd finger and drop it down a string, and take your 1st finger and move it up a string, and that's it. So it's a pretty easy transition, but you need to make sure when you play it that you're not playing that low E string. So you can take your thumb to come across the top and just touch that low E string so it's muted, and you want to start your strumming on the A string. For the strum pattern, we're using the swing pattern, which is a 3-beat strum pattern. We have 3 down strums and then an up strum added after beat 3, and then that repeats. We also want to just strum or just pluck the 1st note of the chord for the 1st beat of each measure. So if I'm playing that E chord, I'm going to be starting my plucking on the E string. So the 1st beat, I'm just hitting that string by itself. And then for beats 2 and 3, I'm strumming full. And then I'm back at 1 again, just plucking that 1 string. So it would be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, like that. All right, if you want to get the chord chart for this song, just click on the link right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.